everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to my videos and for the support. In this video, you're going to just see how I'm kind of resetting my night of after working 3 12-hour shifts. Come Sunday night, any healthcare worker knows I'm very exhausted. I'm really tired by this time. I did stop by with Dixie and just got a few things just to kind of make sure we have throughout the week and kind of see some of my unhealthy eating habits. But hey, not everything's for me. Some things are for my kids or whatnot. So I'm just kind of getting the groceries situated, unpacked, getting my lunchbox unpacked and everything. And pretty much here, I'll kind of just take a break and go upstairs and get a shower and come back down and I'll eat. It just depends on how tired I am. But again, I really try to keep it simple on a Sunday night. Just tidy up the kitchen a little bit and go ahead and get my shower. And sometimes I just crash, sometimes I don't. It just depends. Alright guys, so I'm just kind of wrapping it up for the night. So we already ate dinner, one of my daughters washed the dishes, and I'm just tidying up loose things downstairs, just packing up the pizza box we got the night before, just trying to go ahead and clean off the dining room table, re-wipe the countertops, sweep and whatnot. And as you can see, I'm just having a conversation with my daughter. She just wanted to come down and talk to me while I tidy up things. So again, this is just something I try to do almost every night. I don't know why. I just like to have like a nice kitchen when I come downstairs. So that Clorox spray that I showed quickly, it's an okay spray. It does smell kind of strong for me, so I think once that's finished, I don't think I'm going to repurchase it. I'm not too particular about different cleaners for my kitchen like I am for the bathroom. As long as it smells good and it's a disinfectant, I'm okay for the kitchen. It doesn't matter. So I'll figure out what I'm going to get next. Guys, yes, I'm re-cleaning the countertops. This was not on purpose. This was me just end up having a good conversation with my daughter and I wasn't really paying attention what I was doing. So yes, I mistakenly cleaned. I mean, it's never too many times you can clean your counter anyway, but you know what I mean. I did not intend to clean my countertops twice. after the kitchen is done, I'll do like a small tidy up for the living room. I'll just pretty much straighten out the blankets, just make sure they're folded back up neatly, and then I'll make sure the pillows are just kind of put back in place. For the most part, there's not too much that I have to do down here. We pretty much take like all our bags upstairs to our room. I don't have anything lingering around for the most part. So we've kind of gotten used to the routine of that. And this is just another glimpse of the room spray and candle that you can purchase off my sister's website, Jo Marie Collections. And pretty much that's it. So lights out for us. We'll have a good night. Thank you so much as always for watching my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.